Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Bear with me, I'm trying out a new lens, so we'll see how it works, okay? Today we are talking Aerin. If you know anything about Aerin, Aerin is, last name is Lauder. So she's part of the Estee Lauder family, but started her own line called Aerin. And I've been looking at these plates and I decided to pick them up. I looked at them for about a week, and I'm like, because I'm trying to get nice plates that don't leave gray marks behind. I don't know if these will, but they were really pretty. And so, yeah, even if they do, they're just really pretty plates. Let's talk about it. It's called the Elia plate. I think it's Elia or Elia plate, and you get a set of 4. You can't buy them individually, and they retail for $200. They come in cream and gray, or Dove. They call them Dove. And this set of 4 Elia plates is part of a collection of simply elegant dinnerware. A wide gold rim beautifully enhances the minimalist design. The plates have been crafted with a very slight curve that is subtly stylish and perfect for entertaining. They are ceramic. They are dishwasher safe, which I love, and they're imported. I believe they're made in China. So when I opened the box, I haven't seen the plates yet, but I opened the box and this is what came. And I was like, I thought I bought plates. not like salad plates or saucers. So here in America, as you guys know, we're used to bigger plates, and I probably do need smaller plates anyway. Yeah, so let's open it. I'm still excited. I'm super excited to see what these plates look like, and I haven't seen them online, so that's why I still would have done the video of unboxing these, because that's what I do. When I'm excited about something, I let you guys in on it. Okay. This is a pretty box, though. It's matte, and it's a nice box. Well, came with this care instructions. Should be handled with care. Always a possibility of shading, scratching, color transfer, or irregularities. This product is not oven or microwave safe. Keep away from acidic substances. Avoid prolonged exposure to moisture. Do not submerge fully in water. If they're dishwasher safe, then dry the product thoroughly with a soft cloth immediately after washing. Store in the original protective packaging when not in use. Okay, there's a lot. This is soft though too. This right here with the care instructions on the back. Okay, guys, yeah. I seemingly ordered saucers and not plates. These are definitely saucers. They're pretty. They don't have much weight to them. But this is what they look like. I didn't really look at the dimensions because they called them plates. So yeah. I wasn't looking for saucers, although these are lovely. I was looking to see if I can put them with my charger, and these are just way too small. But they are lovely. I see the 18 karat, I think it's 18 karat gold, but the gold around the plates is beautiful. It says Aerin on the back. Yeah, they're pretty, just again, not big enough, huh? Okay, well, I guess this will teach you to definitely look at the dimensions before you purchase anything. Yeah. Okay, yeah, that's gonna be really quick. It's beautiful if it was about two or three times bigger. But yeah. Yeah, okay. I hope that helped you guys. If any of you guys were looking at this plate, to know that this is more of a saucer and not a plate. So if I looked at the dimensions, I would have known that. But I didn't do that. So, but yeah, this is really pretty. The gold right here and the cream. It's reflective. I was just looking for plates, that's all. I'm not looking for saucers. And if I do get saucers, I want the plates to match the saucers. So yeah, they have bowls too. So yeah, I'm a little disappointed. A little disappointed. Well, yeah. Yeah, I'm a little disappointed. Okay. I hope that helps you guys figure out if it's something you were looking at or not. And I will see you guys next time. Bye. Yeah. They're so small.